हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आप सब उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे. इफ़ यू आर न्यू ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल एंड यू आर वाचिंग माय वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, देन सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल and like, share and comment. So let's begin the topic, which is very important, and you should watch full video of my this topic, because this topic is very important for today, because I am going to tell you the easy style tips to finally go to paperless. Let's start the topic and keep watching my video. And how many pieces of paper are on your kitchen counter, digging in room tables or some other places where they don't belong? Do you hang on to receipts? There are a stack of papers from the vet that you keep in case you may need to remember actually, that met your cat 2 3 years ago. All that paper sits there waiting for a time when you will be able to deal with it, which never seems to come. But does paper free mean is mean I have been paper free for more than a decade? By paper free, I don't mean I have zero papers in my life. I still need my paper birth certificate. Of course, I prefer using a traditional notebook for taking certain kinds of notes, like in language classes and when I am making pottery. For the most part, though, I don't hang on paper to instead I scan important documents to a storage services and keep digital notes in a note-taking app. I write my to-do list and shopping list in a task management app, and I pin restaurant recommendations in Google Map. There are so many simple tricks that help you remove paper from your life if you are willing to pick up a few tools to do it. Okay, guys, going digital is easy. The hard part is not letting paper creep back in. If you are ready to get rid of most of the paper in your life, here's the what you need to know to get started and keep it up. Ignore the backlog. The first step in going paperless is to forget about whatever backlog you have already accommodated, and instead focus on the new habits you need going forward. What will you do? Definitely starting from this day forward, it may sound counterintuitive, but it works. Having to deal with a backlog can feel overwhelming, and when people feel overwhelmed, they procrastinate. So forget about a need for now. In short, I don't look backward, adopt a go forward approach instead. You will get to your old piles of papers someday or not. For now, don't let those papers hold you back. Okay, and the other is get these four apps, and I am telling going to tell you about the four apps you can use without any key without paper. To make real progress going paperless, you need four apps and services: to-do list app to write down and organize tasks, course, shopping list, and other reminders. I recommend to-do list. Okay, guys, the online second one is the online storage service, when you will store the majority of your digitized papers, and which lets you easily and securely send large files to other people. And the third one is scanning app to quickly digitize physical paper, unless you online storage service already comes with one, which is it might. And the fourth one is an e-signature tool for signature documents. You probably already have one installed on your computer, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or Apple Preview Show below. It might not included with your online storage services. And it means that you can sign on the app, and that signature will remain on your page, which shows that you are right signing on the right page on the list. A to-do list app is fairly straightforward. Find something you like and commit to using it. Try to limit yourself to no more than 5 tasks per day. At the 3 are probably better. People who assign themselves too many tasks and then don't to do them and at teaching their to-do list. And the other one is because storage services. And let's dig into the storage services a little more. The storage service is where you keep digital version of the paper documents, and as mentioned, perhaps so share and deliver documents to others. Ideally, you want a storage service to make your files accessible no matter where you are and backs them up. They're used to be specially services, such as designed to help you to go paperless by automatically detecting and classifying different types of documents you uploaded, such as tax filing and medical billings, but they have more or less or ignorant gone under. So stick with something mainstream. This is it, and this was my topic. And if you are new, then subscribe my channel so that you can see my notification. And please subscribe, like and share and comment my channel, so you will get my new videos on your top list and you can see easily and you can watch easily. सो ओके, दिस इज इट, ये मेरा टॉपिक था और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके बाय, टेक केयर गाइस.